Alright, good morning dear students. So today is 22nd of May and yesterday we have finished till exercise 11D. So now today we are starting exercise 11E, okay, which is the last exercise. The question here is to simplify. An algebraic expression is given to us. You can see out here is a square and there is a. So there are two different types of like terms, a square and a. Okay, we need to simplify. Opening the brackets, we need to simplify. Okay, a square minus 2a plus, within the curly bracket, 5a square minus 3a minus 4a, and there's a curly bracket closed. So what we'll do is we'll first open the small brackets. Rest of the things remain same. We'll first open the small brackets, and remember that when I open the small bracket there's a minus sign, so I have to multiply with minus sign. Okay, so the second step would be to open the the first step would be to open the brackets. Remains as it is. Okay, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, and now opening the brackets. And now what will I do? I know 5a square, 4a square, they are like terms. So what is 5a square plus 4a square? 9a square. Plus 9a square and minus 3a. Rest of things same. Okay, and now I can open this curly bracket as well. There's a plus sign remains same. A square minus 2a plus 9a square plus and minus minus 3a, which is this. Now a square plus 9a square is 10a square. Minus 2a minus 3a is minus 5a. And now I can take 5a common. So I'll be getting 2a minus 1. Your answer is still out here. You can take common also, no problem. Okay, so pause the video to note down. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Now, from question number 2 onwards, there is a kind of a bracket which is called bar brackets. Okay, this bar brackets is also similar as our first bracket, curly bracket, box bracket. Okay, so when I open this bracket or when I remove this bracket, then sign changes. If there was minus, then it becomes now plus, and the vice versa. Okay, so when I remove this bar brackets, sign changes. Keep that in your mind. This is the algebraic expression given. Let us first see the like term. There is x and there is y. Here there is a bracket and here there is a bracket. We can remove this. Okay, x minus y minus, within the curly bracket, keep your x minus y as it is, and now you multiply with minus. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Any problem? I hope you're clear. And then minus x, keep it as it is. Minus x, keep it as it is, but there is a bar bracket. So when I remove this bar bracket, sign changes. Minus becomes plus. And here I get the second step. Now let us see quickly what I can do out here. And when I say what I can do out here is, see, plus x minus y. Minus x minus y. Okay, from here till here, can you see my plus x and minus x gets cancelled out? Okay, and similarly minus y plus y. Can you see minus y and plus y gets cancelled out? And therefore I'm left with now x minus y minus, within the curly bracket, minus x minus y. Minus x minus y. I hope you're clear. And then finally open the bracket. Okay, so x minus y, minus and minus plus, minus and minus plus. Okay, and also your minus y and plus y gets cancelled out, hence the answer is only 2x. Note the video, pause the video. I move to number 5, which means 2 and 3 will be a 3 and 4 will be a homework. This is the question given to us. Here you can clearly see there is a bar bracket. So first step would be to remove this. Everything is same till here. Okay, 3x plus y. Clear? Very clear. What happens here now? After this step, what happens here? Plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled out. Isn't it or not? Pause the video if you're not clear. Once again, till here, this is plus sign. So this and this gets cancelled out. Isn't it? This and this gets cancelled out. So I have only left with 3x minus y. We have 3x minus y within the curly. Okay, now open the curly. There's minus sign. So 3x minus and plus, minus and minus plus. What happens within the box? Plus 3x and minus 3x again gets cancelled out. So hence whatever is left out is the answer, 3x minus y. Pause the video to note down again. I move to number 7 now, which is this question. Okay, this question, there's no like terms at all. There's no like term. M, N, P, Q. Okay, so keep it to as it is and start simplifying within the box bracket. Within the box bracket, I mean this. Remove the bar bracket first. Plus, it becomes minus. Right? Now, there's nothing to do out here. Just multiply with minus 6. Remains as it is. Curly remains as curly. M is M. Now multiply with minus 6. Minus 42 plus 6N plus 6P plus Q, curly close, box close. Here, again now multiply with plus 4M. We get this line. 4M minus 168. 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24, and 4Q. And then finally here, this is 4M plus 24 plus 24 plus 4Q, and 6 minus 168 minus 162. And then finally multiply with 2. We get this, which is your final answer. Assignments for today will be number 3, number 4, number 6, and number 8. So in this way, we complete this exercise as well as we have finished this chapter. Tomorrow we'll starting a new chapter. That's it for today, and do your work well. Okay.